Hello guys and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ify and I am back again with another video. Guys, today's video is a special one. I am going to be making Bantu knots. Like, this is my first time making this hair. I've not done this hair before. So today I'm going to be trying it out. I washed my hair, okay? Though I have a very super dry hair. Um it's dried now and it has gone back to how it used to be. So for me to start, I will have to use water. I will have to use my water spray and spray on my hair just to moisturize it before I start and make it a bit softer. So
if I'm overthinking, I'm really trying, so I should stop it. So hard on myself, it's true. Pick apart the things I do. Been in hiding, backsliding, keep rewinding, pulling the thread through the loop, trying to find the faith I knew. Always thought that it would just be.
So guys, after that, I'm going to be using my Cantu leave-in conditioner.
I'm scared that I'm running out of time, trying to tell myself I'm fine. I'm waking up and I can't let
Next thing is my oil. I'm going to apply my castor oil.
go all the time. Don't wanna focus another moment on the things that I can't control. I need to find some peace of mind tonight. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah.
After moisturizing my hair, the next thing I am going to do is to part my hair, divide it into how many sections that I want it to be.
You can plan it. I really thought that I would have it mostly figured out.
Use this to hold it so that it will give me space.
And it's tragic, cause it matters. Every second that I lose, I wish I could get back to.
So this is the one I'll be working with for now. So what I'm gonna do now is to section it. I want three at the front. Because I have plenty hair. Honestly, I have plenty hair.
Always tonight. I'm waking up and I can't let go. I'm in my head, but I can't say no. Not gonna do this all the time.
So this one, I'm gonna brush it.
Been on the things that I can't control. I need to find
I'm going to be using this gel.
tonight. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah, nah.
Then I'll be applying this. This is my eco style.
I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah.
I hold it with a rubber band. So I'll repeat the same process here. So guys, I'll be offing the camera now so I can just hurry up and do the rest of the hair, then I'll be back. So guys, I am done parting my hair. As you can see, I'm done parting my hair. Can you see?
If I'm overthinking, I'm really trying, so I should stop it.
The next thing now is for me to lay my edges. Okay?
I do. Been in hiding, backsliding, keep rewinding, pulling the thread through the loop, trying to find the faith I knew. Always thought that it would just feel right.
So guys, after laying my edges, the next thing Sorry guys, my son is at the background. Don't know where to keep him. Let him stay here because he's been crying. So guys, I'm going to tie it. I'm going to use this hair tie to tie my edges. Okay, so that it will lay very well.
All the time. Don't wanna focus another moment on the things that I can't control. I need to find some.
I'll go ahead to cut my expression. I got this from Amazon and this is in color 2. Color 2. I'm going to divide this into 4 equal parts and I'll cut from there. So guys, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is, as this hair is now, I'll just open it, divide it here. Let me see. Then I'll put this inside like this. And I'm gonna use my rubber band to hold it.
Get back to always. Not that it would just feel right. I've been looking my whole life.
So
Don't care if I'm running out of time. I don't wanna waste tonight. I'm waking up and
so the next one is this one.
no, not gonna do this all the time. Not gonna focus another moment on the things that I can't control. I need to find some peace of mind tonight. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I'm so tired. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. If I'm overthinking, I'm really trying, so I should stop it. So hard on myself, it's true. Pick up on
Guys, my hair is too big, like too thick. And you see how thick it is here? That's the type of hair that I have. Very thick hair. So guys, I am going to go off camera now so I can focus and do this thing fast, and I'll be back. Okay, hello guys, I am done with the hair. Okay, I am finally done, guys. It's past 7 p.m. right now. Like, this hair has taken me a whole day, honestly. It took me much longer than I imagined. So, and I will not blame myself because so many things contributed to it. Okay, so yeah, but I'm done with my hair. Okay, I want to show you guys. Guys, before I show you guys, this hair is not perfect. Okay, don't laugh at me. This is my first time trying this on my hair. This is my first time actually making bantu knots. Like, I've not done it in my life. This is my first time, and look what the outcome is. It's not perfect, but I know that I tried. Okay, give me some credit. Don't laugh at me so much. Guys, okay guys, let me show you guys. Okay, let me show you guys. So here is my hair. Here is my bantu knots. Here is what the back looks like. Guys, you've seen my hair now, so I love this bantu knot so much. I know that it's not perfect, but I'm really proud of myself. I am proud of myself. You that is watching me, you can do this. You can do it. Okay, the next time is going to be better than today. Today's one is not perfect, but the next time is going to be better than today's one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your bell notification, and share this video with your families and your friends. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.